Staying on top of your tasks is essential for staying organised and working efficiently. The Tasks feature in the Fergus Go app helps you easily manage everything on the go, from job-specific tasks to general to-dos that aren't tied to a particular job or phase. Here's how to get the most out of this powerful tool. To manage and view tasks, open the Fergus Go app, tap the menu in the bottom navigation bar, and select Tasks to view your task list. Your tasks are organised into two simple categories: To Do, tasks that still need to be completed, and Completed, tasks that have already been finished. To mark a task as complete, go to the To Do section and tap the checkbox next to the completed task. The task will automatically move to the Completed section. To create a new task, tap the plus add button in the bottom right corner and fill in the task details. What needs to be done, when should it be completed, who's responsible, and include any extra instructions or information. Note, at this time, job-specific tasks can only be created using the Fergus desktop version. To edit the task, tap the task card you want to update and edit the available fields. And that's all there is to it. By using the Tasks feature in Fergus Go, you'll keep your team aligned and your work on track.